Hello, hello, hello. Today I have something I've been working on for a while and I can't wait to share these with you. Yes, I have stencils. These are a set, or you can buy them individually on the website. There'll be more about that in the video, but we have the inverted, so it does like the background and then the actual snowflakes themselves. And I'm gonna show you how to layer today. Let's just get right to it.
And here they are. I am so in love with how these turned out. And y'all check my website. They will be up and listed, and you can purchase your own. So I found this little sled, I believe, while we were out thrifting one day, and I want to say I paid $3.99 for it. I am going in with Prom Queen by DIY. I am getting amazing coverage, so I'm actually only going to do one coat of this. And I do go back in and finish off the sides, and you'll see later will I flip this over and do the underside and then the rails in a different color. So for now, straight Prom Queen, and then we're gonna let this dry. And then I'm gonna go in with some Prom Queen mixed with White Swan, and we are going to kind of just stipple this in on the background. So this is the inverted snowflakes. So we're gonna go in and do it's I don't know. I put a glob into my little tray and I'm dabbing into my prom queen and then into my white swan and going on to our surface with this. And I'm just going to finish this whole part just like this. And as I do that, let me introduce myself. My name is Sandra, and I'm the owner and creator here at Midwest Charm. I specialize in repurposed, upcycled vintage home decor, as well as all of your DIY crafty needs. I carry DIY paint, which is what I am using today. Sweet Pickins Milk Paint, Iron Orchid Designs, Roy Cycled Treasures, Connie Lines and Designs, and more. You can find us in person at our little storefront in Hinckley, Minnesota, as well as on all of the social medias and our website, www.midwestcharm.co. Everything is linked below, as well as a list of everything I am using today, including these new amazing snowflake stencils. So we are going to go through and finish adding in these snowflakes all the way through. I do go in and kind of do a little bit of blending to blend in the extra little bits there at the end to make sure that everything fits on there. And then we are going to let this layer completely dry as well. I do not go in and do anything else other than get this first inverted snowflake stencil down first. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with how this is turning out. And here I am just adding the little bottoms on here to add a little bit more snowflakes on the bottom. I cannot believe how beautiful this piece turned out. I am obsessed with it and cannot wait to use this some more or share with you our other ones we have done. Now, I do have a large format one coming very soon. I just have to find the right piece to display it on for you. All right, once this is dried, we are taking the snowflake and I'm just lining it up. These are totally different, so they're not going to line up. Even if I put them one on top of the other, they are not going to line up. So this will be offset, and I'm going in with straight white swan on this layer. And I do go in and use the stencil to finish off the partial snowflake on the bottom and to add some on the top and bottom. You guys, this is such an easy method, and the result is so incredibly stunning. I cannot wait for you all to see this finished up. So make sure you are hanging out to the very end to see how I styled this. But in the meantime, let's get this baby finished. Again, White Swan by DIY, and we are just going over all of the open pieces, and you do see me offloading my brush so I don't have too much paint on there. That's the key to not getting it to bleed, is to make sure that you are not doing that. And I'll give you guys a close-up, don't worry. But let me just tell you, this is just stunning. And I can't wait to see how you guys all use these, the different colors that you can do with this. This was just what hit me. I knew when I got the sled that this is what I was going to use on it, and I knew I was going to do the blue going to white to show the different layers of snowflakes. And it's incredible. I'm going to give you a quick little sneak peek before we go back in and finish up our project. You guys, what do you think? I mean, this is so much better than the vision I even had in my head. It's stunning. I love it. I can't wait to try it the other way too. So I decided on these little rails. I was going to go in with our white, and it's White Swan. I believe I'm using White Swan. If it's not, nope, I am. I'm looking at it on the table there. So it's White Swan, and this is just going to get one coat on these rails. And then I am going to go in on the bottom of this and make sure that that whole part is still the blue. So that whole top layer of the sled is going to be blue in Prom Queen, and then the rails are going to be white. And this just took a little bit of a steady hand to go along the sides of those rails so I didn't get up on there. And honestly, I can paint over it with the white with no problem. And we're just going to get this paint. And again, great, amazing coverage. I did not need to do two coats. I literally did one coat on every part of this, including the white. It was raw wood. It soaked in the paint. It has the look I was going for. I still don't know if I'm going to distress this, so you'll have to wait to see it styled up. But it turned out so good. I am so pleased with how this turned out, and I am so excited that I get to share this whole process with you all. So, a little backstory on how these stencils came to be. I have been wanting to do some larger scale ones for like vintagey looking signs, and I do have one that will be released soon. Um, But my friend Connie actually inspired this set of stencils. She had sent me something and said, "Wouldn't this be cool as a stencil?" And that's when I decided to, when I went to my producer of these, I said, "Can we do both the snowflake and the inverted snowflake so that I can do them both ways?" And they said, "Absolutely." So they ran a test run of them. I loved them. And here they are. And I couldn't be more grateful for my friend Connie at the Painted Photographer. She is beyond creative and I love her to death. And she actually has a set of these on the way. She probably already has them by the time this is released. But I'm really excited that she gave me that input and inspired these. So you guys will have to let me know what you think of this project and what you think of my new stencil line. And as always, everything's linked below and you can easily purchase these in a single or in a pair. So the singles you can buy obviously one of each then, or just one. But the pair, you'll get a little bit of a discount for buying the both of them together. And they are so good for layering. And I was just thrilled with how this came out. As always, make sure you hang out to the very, very end to see my final staged pictures. I will probably be running some frayed velvet through the little holes there to hang this with, but I also think this would look amazing on a holiday wreath or hung on a front door, and you could add your own little like welcome to it. I think I have like a metal one possibly in my stash somewhere, but I I'm thrilled. I'm just thrilled. And I'm really, really so blessed to be able to share this with you guys. And I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. So make sure you're leaving me a comment down below. I really appreciate it. You know, interaction on any level with our YouTube channels actually really help us little small businesses. So it is very much appreciated. And let's get to our final results. Ah, you guys, I love, love, love this piece.
What do you think? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Not interested? I'd love to hear your thoughts. You guys, they are available now on our website. You can go ahead and click on, I think there's like a little box over here with our logo. You can click on that, or you can go to www.midwestcharm.co and they will be under Snowflake Stencil, and you should be able to find them both that way. Thank you guys always for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Thanks for all your support, and we'll see you guys all next time. Bye.